Getting enough sleep is crucial for healthy aging. In fact, sleep is the ultimate anti-aging tool that can help you look and feel your best at any age. In this video, we'll explore why sleep is so important for healthy aging and share some tips on how to get a good night's rest. Have you ever wondered why a lack of sleep makes you look older? Well, it's because sleep plays a critical role in reducing the physical signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines. But sleep is not just about looking young. It's also about promoting your overall health and well-being. 1. Sleep can reduce inflammation. Lack of sleep disrupts the body's natural inflammatory response and can lead to an imbalance between pro-inflammatory and anti-inflammatory cytokines, the proteins that help to regulate inflammation. This imbalance can contribute to chronic inflammation, which is a risk factor for many age-related health problems, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancer. In addition, lack of sleep can impair the body's ability to regulate cortisol, a stress hormone that plays a role in inflammation. When cortisol levels are high, it can contribute to inflammation in the body, and chronic lack of sleep can lead to chronically elevated cortisol levels. This can increase the risk of various health problems, including cold sores and hemorrhoids. Therefore, by not getting enough sleep, you are disrupting the body's natural inflammatory response and increasing the risk of inflammation-related health problems. Prioritizing adequate sleep can help to reduce inflammation and promote healthy aging. 2. Sleep supports collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps to keep your skin looking young and vibrant, but its production decreases as you age. Sleep is important for collagen production because it allows your body to repair and regenerate skin cells. Adequate sleep can help to maintain your skin's elasticity, preventing wrinkles and fine lines. 3. Sleep helps your body repair and regenerate. When you sleep, your body repairs and regenerates cells, including those in your skin and other organs. This process is essential for healthy aging, as it helps to keep your body functioning optimally and can slow the aging process. 4. Sleep boosts your immune system. A good night's sleep can help to boost your immune system, which is essential for healthy aging. As you age, your immune system can become weaker, making you more susceptible to illness and disease. Adequate sleep can help to strengthen your immune system and keep you healthy. 5. Sleep can improve your memory and cognitive function. As you age, your memory and cognitive function can decline, but getting enough sleep can help to slow this decline. During sleep, your brain consolidates memories and processes information, which is essential for learning and maintaining cognitive function. 6. Sleep can improve your mood. Lack of sleep can lead to irritability, anxiety, and depression, which can impact your overall well-being and quality of life. Getting enough sleep can help to improve your mood, reduce stress, and promote emotional well-being. So, how can you ensure you're getting enough sleep each night? Here are some tips. First, stick to a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends. Second, create a relaxing sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is dark, cool, and quiet, and consider using comfortable bedding and pillows. Third, limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can interfere with your sleep, so try to avoid using phones, tablets, or computers for at least an hour before bed. Fourth, avoid caffeine and alcohol. Both caffeine and alcohol can interfere with your sleep, so it's best to avoid them, especially in the evening. Finally, practice relaxation techniques. Meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can all help to relax your body and mind and prepare you for a good night's sleep. By following these tips and getting enough sleep each night, you can help to promote healthy aging and feel your best at any age. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And leave a comment below with your favorite anti-aging tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.